So I got a phone call. Someone called me and ordered a Diet Coke and wanted me to deliver. So I'm going right now to McDonald's to buy a Diet Coke. Yeah, and I don't know, someone special called me up and wants a Diet Coke. So I'm going on my way now to pick it up and deliver it. So yeah, enjoy the video. This rain is not so cool. It's been pouring from the morning. Yeah, it's afternoon here now, and it's not stopping. Yeah, I just hate it. I can't drive too fast. Have to beat the speed limit. So it's taking time. Yeah, it's not far away. McDonald's is far away. But yeah, I'm just keeping under the speed limit. This light takes forever to go green. Yeah, I don't know about you guys. You guys feel the same thing? Some of the lights, it takes forever to go green. Do comment below. Waiting, and still waiting to go green. It's gonna take a while.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Hi, can I have a Diet Coke, please?
What size would you like that?
What size do you have?
We have small, medium, and large.
I'll do the small.
A
No.
small Diet Coke?
Yeah.
All right, anything else?
I think that's all.
Would you like to round up for charity today?
I don't know. I'm good. Thank you.
I'm sorry, what was that?
I said thank you. Thank you.
All right, 162 at the first window. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, 162. Sorry about that.
No, it's good. That's all good.
Have a great day.
Oh, you too. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Excuse me. Is it supposed to?
Yeah. Do you want me to?
Yeah,
I can take that. Yeah.
please. Is it okay?
Yeah, they changed the amount of ice because it kept overflowing.
Oh, thank you, man.
Something.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it, man. Coke here. I got a Diet Coke. This is the receipt. It's $1.62. Now on my way to deliver the Coke. Things we have to do in our daily lives. If you do like this video, please do subscribe and like my channel. Yeah, I don't talk much. Yeah, my English is a little bit. I'm a little bit slow in English. Yeah. Please forgive me if I say something. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm going to deliver the Coke. I'm in Washington State. I live in a small city called Bellingham. It's raining. The weather isn't looking good. I'm just by the border. Let's go. Got the green light. Gotta be in the speed limit, 25. says. So this customer here I'm going to deliver the Coke is very special to me. Yeah, that's why I'm doing this. Yeah, you'll get to see in the end of this video who is this special person. It'll be within a couple of minutes. Do comment if you like my video. Yeah, do comment on it. And do comment where are you from, watching from. I would love to hear your guys' comments. Well, this is the town I live in. It's called Blaine. A small town just by the border. Okay, we're getting in there. Yeah. Okay, we're here. Let's go. Let's get in the drive-through. Hope someone is there today. Yes, this Coke here is for my wife. She ordered it.
Well, hi.
Hello, how are you?
Do you think that's gonna fit in there?
I know it will.
Okay.
Oh, now it won't. I'll take it in front.
Negative, Ghost Rider.
I don't want to spoil it. Okay, I'll see you in front.
Okay.
Thank you. Oops, he couldn't go in through the drive-through. Whatever, draw their head. So I have to go in front door now. Dealing with this. Let me reverse. Hold on. Let me just back up here. And I'm here. Okay. Let's go. Oh, she's here. Yeah. Love you, huh? Bye. Sorry, you couldn't see my wife. She's back to work. Yeah. Well, thank you. I've delivered the thing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.